Today we're going to be talking about updates to the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then invest into Shiba Inu Coin because it is now supported on Public's platform. Use that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on Shiba Inu Coin. We can see that we're down about 11% on the day. We're going to be going over why it's down in the next video I make coming up here in about an hour. You guys will see that one. But for this one, I just want to be talking about the new update to the ecosystem with Shib stablecoin. We're going to be going over that as well as some technical analysis, some light technical analysis at the end of this video. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But before we get into all that, I do want to go over the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin because that is one of the most important parts about cryptocurrency trading as well as investing. You can see that Shiba Inu Coin is currently the second most active cryptocurrency on StockTwits and then the third most active cryptocurrency or stock on StockTwits. Today is a weekday where we are trading, so the fact that AMC is above us kind of makes sense because stocks tend to trade on the weekdays. Cryptocurrencies tend to trend on the weekends. Okay, and now we can get into the real news for today, and that is going to be the Shib stablecoin, the Shiba Inu's latest project expanding the ecosystem. So if you guys aren't aware, obviously the Shib ecosystem has a lot of really cool things coming up in the pipeline, such as Shibarium, the Shiboshi games, as well as other things that I don't need to mention because we talk about them so often. But let's talk about this. Shiba Inu has seen massive success throughout the year, although currently it is in a pullback price-wise. The dev team is hard at work. The devs unveiled the Shib stablecoin. We delve deeper into what it is and when it is going to come out. So here you can see that they also agree with me, saying that Shiba Inu is far from a meme coin title it gained during the start and the better part of the year. This project has grown massively and the ecosystem continues to expand. The Shib stablecoin is a token that is always pegged to 1 cent. Usually these stablecoins are pegged to $1. But since we're obviously one dream Shib, they decided to do 1 cent. I like it a lot. Ryoshi aims to make Shib a global currency that common people can use worldwide. The founder of Shiba Inu aims to use Shib as both a method of payment and as a store volume. This is massive updates, guys. Let's see, store value. I don't know if I said volume. Stable coins are famous for pegging themselves to the dollar, fiat currency. Like I said earlier, pegging reduces the volatility and maintains the price of coins at or near $1. Ryoshi thinks pegging Shib to 1 cent will make the token more stable. He explains that since the businesses will be using a stablecoin token, it will help them greatly. Stablecoins have reserves. These reserves help them to remain stable. For Shib, Ryoshi has not explained how they will achieve stability with the 1 cent pegging. However, he did hint that they might lock up a certain amount of reserves, then they would mint Shib always to bring the price back to 1 cent. When is Shib stablecoin coming out, you might ask? There are no release dates yet given for Shib. There's also no roadmap for it. Basically, it's just an announcement. The Shib army will have to trust Ryoshi at his word. This is not a problem since the founder has already delivered so much in just 1 year. Ryoshi presented the need for Shib to show how decentralized Shib was. Ryoshi and the teams are also working on Shibarium, which I brought up earlier, a layer 2 EVM chain. Shib would be the official stablecoin of the Shibarium ecosystem. For example, or for comparison, Binance Smart Chain or BSC has Binance USD, USDT on Solana, and USDT on Tron, and many more. So basically this just adds to Shibarium and kind of what they're doing there. So yeah, I mean, Shiba Inu is decentralized. Ryoshi says that no one is in charge. This means that no one is accountable or responsible. It also means that no one has the keys to the Shib empire, which is exactly what we need to stay decentralized. According to Ryoshi, it is the collective community that is responsible for the project. This puts some sense of ownership and belonging into Shib holders and make them hold on more onto the project. The bottom line, it always comes down to price. Shib is down 50% since its all-time high. The entire market is also down, with many top projects losing double digits in the last 7 days. Some projects like Sandbox, which we're going to make a video on later today, stay tuned, and Crypto.com continue to rally and defy the general market trend. On the other hand, Bitcoin is trading at 57K, way below the 98K predicted by Plan B. But yeah, that's basically what's going on with Shiba Inu Coin right now. So you might be thinking, Zach, what are your thoughts on this? I think that this is a massive update, and it really lends to how Shibarium is going to be doing extremely well in the future, and it really makes me excited for the future. But anyways, let's go over the global crypto market of Shiba Inu Coin and just the global crypto market. It's sitting at about 2.57 trillion, a 1% decrease over the last day, and we can see that Shiba Inu Coin is now the 13th biggest crypto by market cap, being passed up by Crypto.com. And obviously Crypto.com has just been absolutely killing it this week. We made a video on that if you guys want to see our thoughts on that, but really today we're talking about Shiba Inu. So we can see that the volume is up, and that is because we have been seeing a lot of sell volume, sadly, but you know, we did see this coming. Obviously I said that we are going to probably consolidate down to the 36-37 range, and that's exactly where we are right now. I'm really hoping we make support here, but we'll go over in the technical analysis in just 1 second. One thing I do want to check though is the volume was doing just about 1.6 to 1.8, and now we're sitting at about 3 billion. So if we can see a bit of recovery here, we can see some wild swings coming today, which is what I do like to see. In terms of holders, we have gone down in holders since yesterday, sadly. We're about 4,000 holders away from being at 1 million holders. Alright, and now let's go over our support and resistance levels. So we do have our resistance here at the 87 level, and then also I tried to tell you guys about this support here at the 36 level. It's looking like we kind of have broken this level, sadly, but if we do break that level, we could be seeing drops all the way down to the 32 level, but you know, who knows if we're going to keep falling today or not. I'm going to wait about an hour and try to do technical analysis in our next video, so stay tuned for that video. But we are trending down on everything right now. It's not looking too positive for Shiba Inu Coin in the interim. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Make sure that you guys comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. We know that the Shiba Inu Coin army is extremely strong, but we're trying to see how strong. And then also get your free Shiba Inu Coin with that first link in the description. It would really help out. Personally, I just got a $50 stock from Tesla on there. When you deposit $1, you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock. I got $50 worth of Tesla yesterday. So if you guys want to get have the chance to get that much, use that first link in the description, deposit $1 on public. But that's pretty much going to be it. I'm going to be making videos throughout the rest of the day. Make sure you guys tune in, subscribe. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.